Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send voice message on Rednote app. So if you have a Rednote account and you want to send a voice message to a friend on the Rednote application, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this a thumb up and subscribe to the YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, to send voice message to someone on Rednote, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote application. Then select the person you want to send a voice note to. So in this case, let's say this particular person. So this could be your follower or on your following list. Now, once you've selected the person, as if you want to send a message to this particular person to send a voice note, locate and click on this voice icon. Then if you click on it once, you should see press and talk. Then go ahead, press and talk. Then you can now go ahead, press and talk and swipe up to cancel. So just keep talking until you are done. And then once you are done, let it go. Then you should see the voice message like this. If you want to cancel voice message while talking, you just press and hold it like this. Then you should see what that says swipe up to cancel. If you swipe up this, that's going to recall the voice note you are recording. So you can use this to send voice note on your Rednote account. So that's exactly how to send voice message on Rednote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.